So what is up, guys? So I think I'm gonna head to the gym. I finished my keyboard lessons and oh my god, my guy. So I thought every time I go, I always feel like a little mistrusty. I don't know why I do this to myself every time. But this one I feel like he asked me, he literally asked me like, what song do you want to like to learn, or like what are you into? Literally. And I just said my favorite song at the moment, which was Sleep Token Caramel. And he just taught me it. And I'm like, and he's like, oh yeah, this one's not too bad. And he knows about Sleep Token, how it's a little like weird, like especially with their progressions. Like they can be a little whimsical and dark and all these other things. And so I feel like that helped a lot, him already kind of knowing and then just asking me straight up, like, what do you want to do? So that was really awesome. Honestly, I love it. I'm gonna go home for real and practice it. For real. I'm not gonna be like not doing it this time. I'm gonna go to the gym. I low-key might go to a smoke shop too, so if y'all see me at a smoke shop, don't tell anyone. But I may go and get like 1 or 2 joints. I don't know. We'll see. What's up, guys? So I'm back. I need to turn all this off. I'm currently watching my boyfriend on stream, even though he's in the next room, just modding for him. And I got podcast going. I need to turn this down. So, I need to clean my room. The room in question. Stuff all over the ground, stuff all over the table. Food, my bag, and then we're gonna do a haul. Also look at my little boo-boo. So we're gonna do a haul of everything I got today. Maybe everything, I don't know, we'll see. I'll be back and then I'm gonna do a haul because I actually don't, I feel like so uneasy. Okay. Good morning. So, I did somewhat clean my room. I think it looks a lot, and it looks awful. So I just have to fix this. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna show. I'm so upset. Anyways, I did finish cleaning. I'm gonna just go to the mall because I just want to go to POPMART. And then I'm gonna go to the gym. But look, guys, I think I inserted a little bit of a clip. But I got these 2 albums. I literally know every word to all of them, so I was like, these are perfect, and I don't pay for like ad-free music. And so I was like, this is perfect. Like CDs don't have ads. Like that's perfect, you know? Yeah, so I'm gonna go to POPMART in the gym. It's like super close to each other, and luckily I live like literally 20 minutes away from a POPMART. They're not open yet, so I'm like hoping if I just get there kind of early, maybe they'll have something that like I want, maybe, but we'll see. I forgot to show you what I was eating. I already fucked up the noodles, but yeah, that's it. I got a Hachi Puku blind box because I've been looking at it online and I really wanted one. I just hope it's not this one. That's the only one I hope for not. This is so cute. Oh yeah. I also got this for my boyfriend. I think this would look so cute on his desk. I need you to look at yourself because you are so cute. Look. Look. You have a little charm. Big fucking update. Literally, Pierce the Veil is playing tonight, and I can fucking hear them during sound check. Oh my god, there's emos literally all around. Emos. Like, phone at 14%, but it's literally fine. 30 minutes after getting out of the gym, like, this is the point. Oh my god. There goes the clap again. I want to know who's clapping. I'm not gonna cry this time. And then the guitar starts. It's just like I cry for my 12-year-old self, you know? Fucking kidding. They've stopped playing since. And I saw a bunch of people walk away and someone said they had to like something about security doing something. So I wonder if people were going a little crazy. I feel like I look more normal because I literally just came from the gym. But there's people literally in like shorts. The concert doesn't start till I think like 7 or 6. And there's people like in all black and shorts like walking around with like the boo-boo, so you know they're intent. I think I look a little more casual, a little undercover. Besides the 2 nose rings, possibly. Oh my god, that's fucking big. That has to be big.
Hey, Spencer! Hey! Hey! Oh!
That's a singer, for real.
Oh!
Alright. A part of me, one, I just like being here, and oh my god, I was literally about to say a part of me doesn't want to leave because I keep hearing things. But like, you hear it too, right? I should just go home, do something better with my time, right? I just don't want to. I just want to listen to them play. Okay, we're home, guys. You ready?
Yes, I hope that is going to be the Jar of Hearts, or I think, yeah, the devil. Kiss Kiss Devil
Hold
Devil.
up for a second. Let me see.
Jar of Hearts or Kiss Kiss Devil Devil.
Okay. This one was cute. I thought any of them would be really cute to put on your thing. My camera's gonna die.
It is part of the faces of the box, so it'll be cool if we get one of those.
Don't look in there. Don't pull it out. Don't pull it out. Oh!
We got the cherries.
I think that's like one of the ones that I think a lot of people want. Because they have like a keychain of those. Oh, those are, that's so cute.
Love you cherry much.
Oh, you saw that one?
Love you cherry much.
That one's so cute.
Love you cherry much.
Oh, let me see if I can get a close up.
They came with a little toy.
What is that? A little heart?
A little heart.
I can't believe you got the cherries.
A little heart that they came with. And they don't hold it or anything like the other toys usually do.
This is so cute.
It's just part of, it's just a...
Yeah, you can just put it near you.
It's just their toy.
Yeah, you just put it near you. That's so cute. Let me see the card. Love you cherry much. And that...
Are they all crybabies? Like the...
Yeah, they're all crying.
They need to freaking grow up. I mean, I'm sorry. Where do I put
They
this?
just love it so much. On your desk. What does it say? Crybaby POPMART. That's so cute. That's awesome. Why do you always look in there? You ruin the surprise. It's kind of cute.
Is it real?
Is it real? What do you mean?
Or is it Philly?
This is from POPMART.
Not like Fufu?
No, it's from POPMART. Open this one. It's pretty cute. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep that. I'm definitely keeping that. That looks that's gonna like look literally perfect on this bag and a lot of other bags too.
This one's probably gonna be sink.
Oh, did you look at it?
I just guessed.
Let's see. Sink. Sink.
I got it
So
right.
pretty, yeah.
Did you know?